Fine. This is problem number 11. Let me start working on it. Right here, the greatest number which is to be divided by 280 and 1245 leaves the remainder 4 and 3 respectively is. Right. So to start working on this, see what we can do here is, see, first of all you have to subtract the remainder from the given numbers, that is 280, right, 280 minus 4 is equal to how much? That is 276, right, and as well as 1245 minus 3, which is going to be 1242. Now find the HCF of these two numbers. So you can do in two different ways. One is factorization method and second one is division method. Which one you feel comfortable, you can do it. So let me show you. Let me go with the division method. Right, division method is simple one. Let us check out here. 1242. So that should be divided by the smaller number, that is 276. So now check out here. 254s are 255s are 1250. So it is going to be 4s are only, right. For 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 2 carry, right. Next is 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. So 0 3 carry. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1104 you got. So now subtract here. 12 minus 4 is 8. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Right. 2 minus 1 is 1. Right. 138. Now you are supposed to consider a divisor and it should be used to divide 276. Now go with the 276. Now divide 138 2s are, right. So 276. Now it is completely divided. So there is no remainder. So that's what. So this is going to be the HCF, right. So 138, right, is the answer, right. So greatest number, that is 138, which is to be divided by 280 and 1245 leaves the remainder 4 and 3 respectively is this. You can check out. So if you divide 280 by 138, right, so 138, so you are going to get the 4 remainder. You just check out. 138 2s are, right, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 2, so 4 is the remainder. So this is the way you can find out, or otherwise you can go with the factorization method also. Let me go with that. For 280, start working on it. So let me go with the 2 140s are, right, 270s are, right, 235s are, right, then so 5 7s are. So for 280, so the factors are what? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So now let me go for, that is 1245. No, so for we have to find out for this, not this, right. So let us check out here. For 276 I need to go, right. For 276 let me go with this. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are, right, 2, then 2 6 are 12, 1 2 9s are, right. Again go with the 3 now. 3 3 3 2s are, 3 3s are, right. So further division is not possible. So for that one, for 276, which is going to be 2 into 2 into 3 into 23. So now let me go for, what is that? That is 1242. 1242. Let me start dividing by 2 6 are, 2s are, 1s are, right. So now which we can divide by 3 2s are, 0 7s are. Now 23, right. Again I can go with the 3, right. So let me go with the 3 only. So 3 6 are 18, right, 2 9s are. Now again I will go with the 3, so 23s are. Now the factors for those is, that is 1242. 1242 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 23. So we are supposed to select the common terms which are in both the numbers, that is 2 is here, right, I will take 2, 3 is here and as well as here, that is 3. 23 is also there, so into 23. Now check out here, 23 3s are 69, so 2 into 69, which is going to be 138. So the answer here is 138. Option A is the right one.